What if I told you that you could completely automate your email inbox so that AI reads, categorizes, drafts responses, and even sends emails for you while you sleep? No more drowning in hundreds of unread messages. No more spending hours on email every single day. This isn't science fiction anymore. And by the end of this video, you'll have a complete system that does all of this automatically. In the next few minutes, I'm going to show you exactly how to set up an AI-powered email automation system that handles everything from spam filtering to intelligent responses. We'll cover the best AI tools that work with Gmail and Outlook, how to train them to sound exactly like you, and the workflow that saves professionals up to 15 hours every single week. Whether you're an entrepreneur, freelancer, or just someone tired of email overload, this system will change your life. Let's dive in. The average professional spends 28% of their workday on email. That's over 11 hours per week just reading and responding to messages. And here's the crazy part. Most of those emails don't actually require your personal attention. Studies show that 62% of work emails are informational or could be handled by someone else. This is where AI automation becomes absolutely transformative. Instead of treating email like a full-time job, you can let AI handle the repetitive stuff while you focus on what actually matters. The technology has reached a point where AI can understand context, detect urgency, learn your writing style, and make intelligent decisions about how to handle each message. Let's talk about the actual tools you need. First up is SaneBox, which uses AI to prioritize your inbox and filter out noise automatically. It learns what's important to you over time. Next is Superhuman, which has built-in AI features for smart triaging and follow-up reminders. Then there's the absolute powerhouse, Make.com or Zapier combined with ChatGPT or Claude API. This combo lets you build custom workflows that are insanely powerful. You can also use Google's Gemini if you're in the Google Workspace ecosystem, or Microsoft Copilot for Outlook users. The key is choosing tools that integrate with your existing email provider. Most of these have free trials, so you can test them before committing any money. Here's the exact workflow I use and recommend. Step 1. Connect your email to an automation platform like Make or Zapier. Step 2. Set up filters that categorize incoming emails by type, like newsletters, client communications, internal team messages, and spam. Step 3. Create AI prompts for each category. For example, newsletters get filed away, urgent client emails trigger a notification, and routine questions get auto-drafted responses. Step 4. Connect the ChatGPT or Claude API to generate those draft responses based on the email content and your instructions. Step 5. Set up a review system where drafts wait in a folder for your approval before sending, or configure certain types to send automatically if you're feeling bold. This is the secret sauce that most people miss. Your AI needs to sound like you, not like a robot. Here's how to do it. Gather 10 to 15 emails you've written that represent your typical communication style. Feed these to ChatGPT or Claude and ask it to analyze your tone, vocabulary, sentence structure, and common phrases. Then create a custom instruction set or system prompt that captures this style. Include details like whether you use exclamation points, how formal you are, whether you use emojis, and your typical greeting and sign-off. Save this as a template in your automation tool. Now, when AI drafts responses, it'll use this style guide. Test it with a few emails and refine the prompt until it sounds natural. This step takes maybe an hour, but saves you hundreds of hours of editing later. Once you've got the basics down, here are some next-level moves. Set up sentiment analysis so AI can detect angry or upset emails and flag them for immediate personal attention. Create autoresponders for common questions that pull information from a knowledge base or FAQ document. Use AI to summarize long email threads into bullet points so you can catch up instantly. Set up calendar automation where AI can schedule meetings by checking your availability and sending calendar invites without you touching anything. You can even create follow-up sequences where if someone doesn't respond in 3 days, AI automatically sends a polite reminder. The most advanced users set up email analytics, where AI tracks response times, email volume by category, and identifies patterns to optimize the system even further. Here's the critical balance you need to strike. Not everything should be automated. Personal relationship emails, sensitive HR matters, complex negotiations, and anything emotionally charged should always get your direct attention. What should you automate? Newsletter subscriptions, receipt confirmations, routine status updates, meeting confirmations, simple yes or no questions, and informational emails that don't need responses. A good rule of thumb: if an email requires emotional intelligence, nuance, or strategic thinking, handle it yourself. If it's transactional, informational, or repetitive, let AI take it. Always start with AI drafting responses that wait for your approval. Once you trust the system after a few weeks, you can let certain categories send automatically. The goal isn't to remove yourself completely, it's to free up your brain space for the emails that actually matter. If this video just saved you 10 hours a week, smash that like button and subscribe for more AI automation workflows every single week. And here's my question for you. Drop a comment below telling me what part of your work you want to automate next. Email? Social media? Data entry? Let me know, and I might make a video about it. Seriously, I read every comment, and your ideas help me create better content for you. Remember, the future of productivity isn't working harder, it's working smarter by letting AI handle the boring stuff. Now go automate that inbox and reclaim your time. I'll see you in the next one.